All right. Thank you so much. I got some CDs up here. I recorded an acoustic album about 2 months ago. It's called "I'm with Tony Bob." A couple of dollars donation. I'm not selling them. I'm asking for donations. So if you want a CD, take home with you. There's 2 original songs on there, some covers,
Good job,
some live
Andy.
stuff with me and Walter from about 2 years ago. So if you would like one, there's a box right up here in front of our monitor. Put a couple dollars in there, and you get to take a CD home with you. Then we're going to take a short break so Walter can finish his food.
You have plenty? I don't know.
Whoa, that was good.
Are you sure you
Good
have
save.
plenty?
Good land.
Yeah, I'll come back for more.
Oh, I know.
9:25.
You're not Baby, you take it back. You're not going to line, okay?
Your hand in my hand.
Okay, I need rounds.
Think so, because we're almost at the tail end of people getting good. The whole thing. Unplug and bring the whole thing.
Lewis, I got change for 100. I had change for 100.